welcome back to today's video. I am so excited. So we have another college video, and today I'm going to be doing in part 2 of my college apartment haul. So I just got a couple more things, or quite a decent amount of things that I want to share with you guys. Some decor, some just like necessity kind of things. I'm sure a lot of you guys are going back to school, whether it's high school, middle school, college. And I find these videos super like fun to watch, so I figured I would just share with you guys some things that I am going to be bringing with me to FSU. Super excited. I did want to mention in the beginning of this video like some upcoming video ideas that I have. I definitely want to start doing kind of like college, follow me around vlogs, more just college related videos, since I am going to be in a college town and I will have a lot more like time to film and my own space. So I'm really excited. I'm excited to like be able to film in my apartment and everything. But yeah, just so much to look forward to, so much to come. Be sure to subscribe if you guys are not subscribed already. It means the world to me. So let's just jump on into this haul. So first things first, I thought I would share this little snack, even though I've already like been eating them. But I wanted to share it because they're some of my favorite snacks ever for like on the go, just to like run to class, or like a meal bar for like in between classes, or like going to the gym or something. These are my favorite. These are from Zone Perfect, and it's the flavor Fudge Graham. There's 14 grams of protein and 19 vitamins and minerals in them. And if you get the big pack, it comes with 10, so they'll last you a little bit longer. But they're just super delicious. They literally taste like s'mores, and I love these. I'm a big like granola bar person because I don't like cooking. And I do like kind of having like a meal replacement kind of once a day or every now and then. So these are super yummy if you're looking for like a new favorite like granola bar. Definitely check these out. Next up, I've got some shampoo and conditioner. I definitely need this. So if you guys didn't already know, I am a licensed hairstylist. So I do plan on doing hair when I'm in college. And I wanted to get like a big size shampoo and conditioner that would last me like the first semester, and also if I was doing clients and stuff. So this one's actually one of my all-time favorites. It's from Matrix, and it's their Total Results Color Obsessed shampoo and conditioner. First off, it smells amazing, and it's really great if you have color treated hair. I do glaze my hair every couple months, so it just helps me like keep the color in longer and not have to do it as often. Ugh. Okay, next up, I'm really excited for this. So I did get a whiteboard. I really wanted to have one in my apartment. So one of my favorite study mechanisms, and I think I might film a video on this later on, but I'll just share it with you guys now. I am somebody where I like to be able to teach myself before a test. So I find that like once I've studied the material enough to the point where I can sit down and like pretend to teach someone and like use a whiteboard, or is how I like to do it, I feel like then I really like understand the material and I've like fully absorbed it and all that stuff. Like that's how I know. And I am an accounting major, so math is a pretty big part of my homework a lot of the time. So having a whiteboard is just super nice and handy. And this one I got at Target, I want to say, either Target or Walmart. And I liked it because it did come with some of the markers and like magnets and stuff, so I didn't even have to like buy them. And you won't lose the markers because they like are magnetic as well. So just thought this was a really good deal. I want to say it was around 10 bucks. And it's like the perfect size, not too big and not too small. I don't think I'm gonna hang it up just so that way I can like sit at my desk and like write on it and everything. But I just think it's really handy if you're like a math major, or even if you're not, like I think it's cool to have a whiteboard. Okay, this next thing is just a little plant. I am the worst at keeping plants alive. Mom, if you're watching this, you know this. I apologize, but I can't keep a plant alive to save my life. So I got this one in IKEA. It's just, I don't know, it's just like a cute little green plant. I plan to just put it on a shelf or something and just kind of add a little bit of greenery. Yeah, I don't know, I really like this one. Okay, next up we have a little smoothie blender. So I was debating buying one because I was like, Meredith, are you really gonna make smoothies? But I really plan to, I really want to. I think it's like a good breakfast or even lunch, or if I'm running to class and I don't really have time to sit and make something, this is perfect. And what's awesome about this one is the cup that you make it in is actually like a to-go cup. So there's like very little like cleaning involved or anything like that. It's just like super easy and on the go. So it's perfect for just like one smoothie. You're not like making like 10 smoothies or anything like that. And this one was super affordable. I think I got this at Target for like 15 bucks. It was on sale. It's the Oster Make It Fresh one, and it did have pretty good reviews when I looked it up. So I'm really excited about this. I will let you guys know, but yeah, I plan to just make like peanut butter, strawberry, like little like protein smoothies or something, or even like if I'm on my way to the gym, I think this is gonna be like really great. So I'm excited about this. Okay, I also picked up just this like really pretty blue little bin. I figured this would be perfect for underneath my bathroom sink just to store some stuff. And if not there, maybe like in my closet or something, but I feel like you can never have enough storage when you're in college. So this one's just like a pretty good size just to like store things, and I like the color. I do have like a blue theme going on in my apartment, so this is perfect. Also in IKEA, I picked up this cute little glass like jar, and I just plan to keep some cookies in here just for like decoration, but also because cookies are good. So yeah, I don't know. I think this is cute. I'm gonna put this again like on a shelf or something and on display and just like fill it with Oreos or like my favorite cookies. And yeah, so I'm excited about that. Okay, I also needed to get a pot. I had a pan, but I didn't have a pot. So I got this one in Walmart. It's a 2-quart saucepan, and this one also comes with a lid, which is great. And I want to say it was like under $10, so super affordable, perfect size for my stove, not too big, not too small. Now I can make pasta. Good stuff. And then my mom was really awesome, and she bought me this clothes drying rack. She was really concerned about like me drying my clothes. So this is perfect to like put, I think in like the shower, you can put it just to like, so it's not like out and about, but just to like hang up my clothes to dry. So thanks Mom for that. This next thing is actually a really cool find. I found this in Walmart, and my dad thought it would be good for me to pick up. So it was only 20 bucks, so if it doesn't work or if it breaks quickly, like I'm not gonna be super upset. But it's a 3-in-1 vacuum, so you can use it like as a vacuum, or you can like convert it into like a hand vacuum, which is great. Again, 20 bucks. It might not be that amazing, I'll let you guys know, but it's by the brand Basile. I'll try and link everything below like that I can find in case you guys are like off to college and like wanting to get any of these things. But yeah, I picked this one up in Walmart, and I'm excited. I do have like rugs in my apartment, so I will have to, or carpets, so I will have to vacuum. So this is perfect. It won't take up too much space, hopefully. And yeah, 20 bucks. Some more fun things. So first I have this Tarte in Bloom palette. I've been wanting this palette, guys, for years. Like I remember when my friends in high school had this, and I used it on her and I loved it. And I just never bought it because it's pretty expensive, and I have so many palettes. But I actually had an amazing client who bought this for me. But I did use this palette in my latest video, which is my college makeup tutorial. So if you guys haven't seen that, definitely check it out. It's a really pretty palette, especially for every day. The colors are just super like neutral and pretty and just beautiful. I'm actually wearing it today on my eyes, and the packaging is so pretty. And also, it smells like chocolate to me. I don't know if anyone has this or if it's like a newer feature, but it smells so good, and the mirror is huge and amazing. So really excited to bring this with me to college. I'm excited to have like a new palette to play with. I also bought this tray from Walmart. I really wanted to get like a serving tray to keep on my bed or like on my ottoman when I'm watching TV, so I can like put like a coffee down or something like that, because I won't actually have like a table. So this one was like I think $8 or so. It's like a really pretty like metal one with like some gold detailing on the side. So I thought this was really cute, although now that I'm looking at it, it almost like doesn't look straight. Am I wrong? No, maybe it is. I don't know. But I thought this would be really cute just to like decorate my apartment. I also have this really beautiful water bottle that was gifted to me from a really good friend, and it's a Swell water bottle from Starbucks, and it's so freaking beautiful, guys. Like it's so me. It's like a really pretty, like I think black base with like pink and blue flowers on it. And this was perfect. I actually don't have currently a water bottle. I've been just buying like water bottles in stock, but I really like having one that I can just kind of like refill and keep with me for the gym and stuff. This one is beautiful. I'm so excited about this, so thank you so much again. Okay, and then I also picked up a new pair of loafers. So this was something that I've been wanting to splurge on for a while now, just because I am a business major. I think it's awesome to look professional for classes and stuff like that. And loafers are just the best. They're super comfortable, they're cute, classy. But the only thing is they're always so expensive, but I really wanted to invest in a good pair that would last me. So I got these ones from Michael Kors at Nordstrom Rack, and they're these really pretty just like black leather ones. I think they're leather. They're super comfortable inside, and then they have like silver hardware on the front. Just really cute and classic. I don't know, I just love them. The front is like a square shape, which at first I wasn't really about, but I have super big feet for being 5'2". I'm a size 9, so I find that the square kind of makes my feet look smaller, which is nice. and I'm just super excited to wear these. They're so comfortable. Another clothing item I got is from Colombia. I don't know that I've ever been to Colombia, but my mom was like, you really need to get a good rain jacket. Actually, being in Florida, it rains a ton, so this one is perfect. I'm honestly obsessed with this jacket. It's also kind of gonna be like my winter coat because it doesn't get like extremely cold in Florida. It's also kind of thick, so I think, again, like I said, it would work kind of as a winter coat here in Florida. But it's just a like classic black rain jacket. I think this will be perfect in case it starts raining a ton. And I wanted to get black that way. It would just go with everything and like my shoes and stuff like that. And I did get a size small. I was thinking about sizing up, but I feel like the small looked like the best, and it still gave me like a little bit of room in case I'm wearing like a sweater or something underneath. I know this is getting really long, but I promise it's almost over. So I just picked up a couple of other things that I wanted to share, just like random stuff. So I did get some toothpaste. Shout out to Colgate whitening. I always get whitening toothpaste because my teeth aren't that white because I drink a ton of coffee. So this one was just like a value pack, so I just got 2. I also was able to find these trays in Walmart, or not Walmart, the dollar store, guys, which is an amazing find. So I'm gonna be getting the Alex like 6 drawer, I think it's 6 drawers for my desk to store some of my makeup and stuff, and I figured these would be perfect to like put in there. And they're just like clear little acrylic dividers, so I just got 3 of them. Again, that way I can store some of my makeup in here. And I think that's it, guys. Hopefully you made it to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Be sure to let me know down below if any of you guys have uploaded any like college haul videos. I love watching them, and I definitely will go check yours out. So definitely leave your YouTube like channel information down below if you do. If you're not already following me on Instagram, definitely be sure to follow me. I'll have, again, everything in the info box that I can find, like things that I've gotten. So that completes this video, guys. I will see you in my next one.